So we were learning about the MySQL. Still, I have learned the how to create the database and how to create table and how to insert the data into the table. So in this video, you will learn how to update all the columns, rows, elements means data, and also how you can change the column name and column data in very detailed manner. So let's start with you. So as you will appearing here on the screen, something I have written. So I have a one command that is called system and cls. You will see all those screen has been removed, means has been cleared, nothing have written previous data. So we can show the data, right? Databases, right? My database name were uh, my new databases, right? So here we will write here, my new database, right? And now we have to search the table. So the tables, this is the syntax to find the database inside how many tables are present. So this will give, I have only one table, and which you know already how we created this table and how inserted table data inside. So let's you can describe DESC, right? Student. This way you can describe it, means you can know about the tables data, what data type or what column name and in detail. So you know the table data about, and now we have to know the select from data, means students table. So what data I have? ID 1 means one ID I have, and my name column, age column, email column, admission date. These are the column name. Okay, so let's suppose you have to change something column name. So how you will change? So I have a syntax like this: alter table students, okay, students, and then column name, which column name? Email, right? To email to, we have to write here my email. Okay, that's it. It's a very simple functionality, have to write it, and the method to write it. And when you enter, you will see the all those uh, column name has been changed. Let's enter. Here you will appear some error: column email to my email at line 1. You have an error in MySQL syntax. Check the manual correspond to your MySQL server version for the right syntax to use the near column. Means somewhere you have made mistakes. Okay, what mistakes you made? Here just you have to write rename the column name. Okay, like alter table students, right? Students after have to write the rename rename and column old column name email to my email, and you will see query okay and row affected and record zero duplicates and warning. So this is the way, this is the main syntax change the column name. Okay, so let's check out it is changed or not. Select from students. Yeah, my email, right? The same way here you have keep in mind one thing. Some syntax are changed when you search on a Google. You will find something else or some another way. So it support the version basis syntax. Some syntax get updated. Newer version I'm using the 8.0 command 0 command line of version syntax, and this syntax supporting to this environment, right? So do not get confused. So now you updated the first email name column. So if you have to update someone else name like my name, then you can update like same way. Table students. Okay, rename like this. Sorry, this syntax don't have to follow. This syntax don't have to follow. You have to follow this one. This one is means like this way. A highlight it. Alter table student rename column email to my email. This syntax you have to follow to change the any email column name, right? Rename column age to my age, right? Oh, students alter table students. Do not write something else, because when you write something different name of the table, it will fetch the error, right? It is saying the my name database dot student doesn't exist, means this student table doesn't exist. Instead of my table student's name is my table. So that have to keep in mind. Something is spelling mistakes if it is happening, then it will not change, right? My age now perfect. You can check out again, select from the students, right? My age. Let's change the my name. If I have to change the alter table students, right? Students, and then rename is the keyword. Student after have to write a reword name keyword, and then column, right? Have to write column, and what is your column name? My name to name, right? You can see the query. Okay, zero affected, records duplicates, zero duplicates, and zero warnings. I hope you will get understand how you have to change the column name. Okay, right? I think you got it. Now if you have to change the column name and where id is 1, data means my name have to change something else, then how you will change, you I will tell you here. So for that there is a syntax called update, means we are updating the data into table that's already exist, means previous existing data have to change. Okay, right? So let's change it. That syntax is update students, right? And set where what you want to set. My name, right? My name have to change the like this. Uh, Anil Vikas, right? Vikas Kumar, where id equal 1. It is right. Let's hit the enter. Here my name is in the field list unknown. It's showing something else. That's biggest mistakes here. If you have to change something, it is not changed. Why? Update students set. It is saying my name in a field unknown means that my name is doesn't exist. Why? Because of in a previous means upper syntax, alter table string, rename column name, my name to name. I have changed the name. That's why. You can check out also like this. This is the way we are writing here the select from students, right? You can see here I have changed the name, right? That's why this error comes. Now what we have to change, not what we have to do, we have to write the right syntax. Update students set name equal Vikas Kumar, right? Where id is equal 1, right? Query okay. One row affected, 0.2 seconds, row matched, one change, one warning, 0. Right now we can check out select from students, right? Here you can see Vikas name has been changed and age is 21, right? But you will be thinking about what update student set equal Vikas where id is 1. If we don't write id 1, then what it will change? Let's write out and check out. Update students set name and give the Santosh Kumar. That's it. We don't have to apply where. Yeah, it's definitely changes. Let's figure out. Select from students. Santosh Kumar has been changed. So on. If you want to update students age means my age, right? 20 where id is 1, right? Now what mistakes happens? It is saying that you have an error in a SQL syntax. Check out the manual corresponding to your server version for right syntax to use near 20 where I make mistake that which should not to make. Here student set, I didn't write set, that's why this message came. And now let's update students, keep in mind, and set my age equal 20, right? Where id is 1. Id if you're writing it is good for your syntax. Now query OK, one row affected. It means your data has been updated. Let's check out. Select from students, right? Santosh Kumar and 21 to get 21 get replaced by 20. Now the data has been updated. Age has been updated. Now you've seen how we can update the name and age. Let's come on the email data have to update. Okay, so on update student, right? Students set my email equal, right? We just anil kumar at gmail.com have to write here, nothing more have to change, where id is 1, right? You can see your data has been updated and the email id also updated, right? Anil Kumar. So on, you can also change the admission date or so on. Set update update students for updated students. Set admission date equal 2025 on 10 and space 26. Also, if we like to write here where id is 1, id is 1, you can write. You can see the query updated, one row affected. Okay, so this is the way to update any column name and column data. I hope in this video you will get some knowledgeable things from myself, and hope you like and hit the bell icon for the more such informational videos, and lot of things I will tell you in upcoming videos that will uh, make more knowledgeable to you regarding to SQL. Okay, so till then, goodbye. I'll meet you in the next video.